Hi, my name's Daniel, tutor in bricklaying here at Erdington Skills Centre. Just going to demonstrate half round pointing with a half round jointer. Okay, tools we'll need for this: your jointer, of course, trusty trowel. Now with the jointer, you'll find two sides. One is the thinner side, one is a thicker side. The thicker side commonly used for block work. The thinner side, however, is what we'll be using for our brickwork here. Okay, so all this as well to finish. We need a hand brush. We'll go into that a bit later. Okay, so with the mortar, you want mortar not too stiff, not too runny. The last thing you want is it running down the walls or making a mess of this space. Through gravity, right? Okay, now that will stay there all day long, okay? Now, the way we load with our thinner end, do a simple load then, right? That's perfect load. And where we're going to start with this is our perps, or our perpends. It comes from the word perpendicular. It's a line at a 90-degree angle of any given line, surface, plane. In this case, it's our floor level. Right? So it will work straight line upwards, 90 degrees from floor level. They are perps. Okay, so we're just going to start with those. What we're looking to do, there's three reasons why we point. Okay. Main reason is, of course, addressing the cosmetics of it, the appearance, the detailed finish we're looking for. You don't want to see any of these holes. Now, these holes, of course, we want, secondly, we want them filled, okay? Makes the wall stronger, more stability. We just want to pack these joints, make it as solid as possible. It's to combat weathering. Last thing you want is for rainfall to go inside your brickwork and start destroying the wall from inside out. Okay, so we're just going to start on these then. Just fill in all of our perps. Okay, I'm going to try and get everyone. Try and do this in some sort of order so you're not missing any out. Okay. Now we're getting rid of any holes, things like that. Alright, and down the bottom you will find you'll need to do it upwards, okay, because your jointer just won't fit. Alright. Everyone's busy at work today. Carpentry. Okay, your beds are your horizontal 10mm joints here, okay? As though you're using your finger, please don't use your finger, right? It's not good with all the cement content. We're just going to put that sheet of metal in place, right? And that is how we're just going to go about jointing here, okay? We'll go through. Alright, now, a few holes here visible. I'll be able to see. They do need filling, guys. Again, rainfall is going to get into those joints, and it's not great for the wall. We're talking longevity. We want the wall to last as long as possible. Okay, now, to finish with a hand brush, and don't worry about all these flaky bits here, right? Usually it's best to leave it sort of 15-20 minutes before doing this, because it can be, if you do it too soon, you'll just be brushing the mortar all over your brickwork. So timing is everything in brushing your brickwork, right? Now, we don't want to brush up or down, neither side to side. What we need to be doing is brushing on a diagonal plane. And this is to avoid any brush marks in your work, okay? So, if we brush them out, you'll see our brickwork now just nicely soft on there. Okay, all right. And okay, there you have it. There's some gaps missing down the bottom, I am aware of, but yeah, centre wall in here is where you want to be looking, and there's no ends to what kind of finish you can get with your brickwork. More time spent, the better the results, I would say. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, thank you.